Welcome everyone. Before we start our meditation practice, I have one request from all of you. Please do subscribe to my channel and share it with anyone whom you think benefit from the practices I share on my channel for your holistic well-being. When you're ready, let's start. Today we will focus on self-compassion. This practice is about treating yourself with the same kindness and care that you would offer to a close friend who is going through a tough time. It's about learning to be gentle with yourself even when things aren't going well or when you feel like you have made a mistake. Let's start. You can find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a breath in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. Continue like this at your own pace, breathing in from your nose, breathe out from your nose. Now place your hand on your heart, breathe deeply again, and silently repeat phrases. May I be kind to myself. May I find peace. May I be kind to myself. May I find peace. Repeat one more time. May I be kind to myself. May I find peace. Now inhale slowly through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Exhale gently through your mouth. Do this 2 more times at your own pace. Feel your body relax as you let go of any tension. Now, I want you to bring to mind something that you are struggling with right now. It can be a situation that's causing you stress or worries, or even a mistake that you have made that you're feeling hard on yourself about. Silently acknowledge your struggle and the pain it brings without trying to fix or judge it. Notice how this difficulty feels in your body. Maybe there's a tightness in your chest, a heaviness in your stomach, or tension in your shoulders. Just observe these sensations without trying to change them. Observe your physical and emotional reactions with curiosity rather than judgment. Now offer yourself compassion. Place your hands over your heart again, or gently hug yourself if it feels comfortable. As you do this, I want you to say to yourself, this is a moment of difficulty. I'm having a hard time, and that's okay. May I be kind to myself. May I give myself the care I need. Repeat these compassionate phrases or come up with your own words that resonate with you, like, may I be patient with myself, I deserve kindness, I am doing the best I can. May I be kind to myself. May I give myself the care I need. May I be patient with myself. I deserve kindness. I am doing the best I can. Let's repeat one more time. May I be kind to myself. May I give myself the care I need. May I be patient with myself. I deserve kindness. I am doing the best I can. Take a moment to notice how you feel after offering yourself compassion. What was that experience like for you? Self-compassion is something we can practice every day. When you notice yourself being hard on yourself, pause, take a deep breath, and remind yourself that it's okay to struggle. Be kind to yourself just like you would be to a friend. Slowly we are coming to end of our practice. When you are ready, gently bring awareness back to your body. Open your eyes really slowly, starting with simpler movements in your body by moving your toes gently, fingers, or any other movement that you feel like doing now. Go ahead and do it. Maybe you want to hug your knees, maybe you want to roll side to side, maybe you want to take some deep breaths. Take a moment to connect back to your body through movement and breathing. As you feel ready, gently turn your body to one side, and then with the help of your hand, making your way up in sitting position. You can close your eyes for a few more seconds before you open your eyes and continue with your day or your work. Just notice how was the practice for yourself today. How does this practice make you feel? Reminding yourself that you can come to this practice anytime when you feel like. Our practice ends here. Namaste, and I wish you a great day ahead. Thank you so much.